Hey guys, Tarun here from Miners Gateway. In this video, we are going to discuss mining of Ethereum and Alephium together with the new updates of TREX Miner, where they have enabled 100% unlocking of our LHR cards. And in my scenario, we are going to discuss about 3060 and the 3060 Ti. Right. Without any further delays, let's begin. So in my case, I have one rig which has three 3060s and one 3060 Ti, which is mining Alephium and Ethereum together, right? And if you look, it is also mining Ton because it also has two 1050 Ti's as well with them. So in my previous video, I had mentioned that I'm going to use the same overclocks as Ethereum with the same power limit. So what I did was I was playing around a little bit with this Oclock settings. All of these cards, the 3060s especially, were set to the power limit of 120, and the 3060 Ti was set to the power limit of 130. Right. So I was getting about 820 mega hash on Alephium and about 203 mega hash on Ethereum actually. So what that did was it also was putting a little bit of a strain on these cards where it was not getting enough power to mine Alephium and Ethereum together, and it was actually, it gave me a rejected share yesterday. And if you look at my flight sheet, right? This is how I've configured it. I have not set the LHR, what do you call it, LHR intensity, whether it is at 50% or not. I've allowed TREX Miner to take that decision for me, and I've left it blank here. So this is how I've set up my flight sheet, and let me show you how it looks. So it is only mining on the 3060 and the 3060 Ti, and I'm mining to hero miners, right? And with Ethereum, I'm mining to ethermine.org in Asia. And if you look, the boot time is about 2 days, and the mine uptime is about 2 days and 5 hours. And it has been going pretty steady, right? This is where I slightly changed the overclocks, or rather than the overclocks, let me say that I slightly changed the power limit. Um, as I mentioned before, right, I had set this up for, I had set the power limit to about 120 watts. What I did is I just bumped it up by about 10 watts more, and that's the same with the 3060 Ti as well. So I started getting about 50 mega hashes, but and it also bumped up the Alephium hash rate as well by a little bit, by about 10 mega hash or so. But this particular card, this one is not going beyond 100 mega hash. Of 100 mega hash, whereas the same overclocks with the same power limit, I'm getting close to about 250 mega hash on the RTX 3060 Ti, 3060, sorry. And of the irony of this entire situation is that these are both RS Elite cards from Gigabyte, right? And they are of the same spec as well. So if you look, even the BIOS revisions are the same, right? And it has not made any change from Alephium megahash point of view. It is mining at about 100 megahash, which I'm not worried about. This is just for testing purpose only, and I wanted to show you guys the performance of TREX Miner, that is version 0.26.1, how it is performing with dual mining, right? And it has been going pretty good, right? And this is where I changed the power limit. I bumped up the power limit by about 10 watts for all of these LHR cards, and I see that it is mining at about 211 megahashes, right? And if you look, uh, all my cards, right? All of these LHR cards are doing pretty well, and they're running pretty stable. So initially, when I was mining this for on day one, it seemed to be that there were some instability issues. So what I did was I updated to the latest version of HiveOS, though there is 515 release is there. I have not moved to that because LOL Miner, I had tested it on my previous video, which is a public beta. They have not changed much on this one. It has remained the same. And if you want to see how LOL Miner works, or what is the hash rate and the power consumption that I'm getting on LOL Miner mining Ton and ETH, I will link that video up here so that you can take a look at that as well. And as of now, it looks to me that let's take a look at the profit. Let's go to whattomine.com and look at ETH plus Alephium. And here, let me key in about 211 mega hashes and about 0.85 0.85 mega hashes, and the fees is 1%, and the power draw is about 750 watts. Okay, so let's calculate. So this is approximately my yield, and this is what I'm getting when it comes to Alephium as well, right? And Ethereum, yeah, of course, 0.002563. So I'm netting about $3.90 a day, with power being, let me change that, let me recalculate it, 11 cents per kilowatt hour. Yeah, about $3.72 a day. This is the profit that I'm netting in a day, and weekly I'm making about $26.05. uh, Overall in a month, about $111.65, which is all right. I guess this is for my one rig, right? And I am mining Ethereum on my other LHR cards as well, other LHR card, that is my RTX 3060 version 1. I'm mining Ethereum there as well, and of course I have my other rig which has the mix of RTX 2060 and the 1050 Ti and a 1660 Super, which is again mining Ethereum. So my total hash rate is about 611 mega hashes that I'm doing right now. Let me show you Ethermine. Ethermine.org, and let me paste in my address here. I cleared my cookies. So if you see, I'm doing about 611 mega hashes on a day, and my total yield per day is about 0.0007 to 1. And if you calculate that for a month, I'm making about 0.21 ETH, right? And this is my unpaid balance as of now. So the LHR unlocks for dual mining seem to be pretty stable. There are no instability issues. Only thing that we need to keep in mind is when we are mining Ethereum, we need to Ethereum and Alephium together, or Ethereum and Ton together. As a matter of fact, we need to factor in the power limits. We need to increase it a little bit. In my case, I'm not worried about Alephium that much. I'm just going to, for this video purposes, I'm dual mining. After this video, I'm going to, switch to, what do you call it, mining only Ethereum on these cards, and I will continue to mine Ton. After that, what I will do is, once Ton mining goes away, then I will actually switch all my 4 GB rigs to Alephium, because if you look, Ton has only about 22 days approximately left and to mine, and so I would like to accumulate as many coins as possible for Ton, and then switch over to um, Alephium. So this is how it looks, guys. The profitability seems to be pretty good. Hopefully, Alephium pumps in value, right? The yield here is not that much when it comes to Alephium. So let me show you Hero Miners. where I'm mining Lithium. Yeah, so if you look, yeah, so this is my yield for Lithium as well. I'm making close to about 3 Lithium a day. At what expense? Not much, right? So I've not increased my power limits. I have not uh, diverted my hash rates to Ethereum alone. So I'm still continuing to mine Ethereum so that I can accumulate as much as I can. So far I've received about 9.6 Ethereum or something. So which is again not many exchanges have listed Ethereum except Gate.io. So I have created an account in Gate.io and I've deposited Ethereum there as well. So it's a matter of waiting and watching how things work out in the future for Lithium. So for now, the current state of affairs seems to be mining Ethereum and Lithium or TON seems to be quite profitable, but at a higher power consumption. And of course, your cards are also running hot as well. So I would like to personally, I'm not comfortable running my cards hot, so I will switch to saying mining Ethereum alone on these cards. So, guys, I also would like to add if you like my content and if you like what I do. Please do subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure you put down in the comment section below. I'll make sure that I get back to you as quickly as I can, or as soon as I get the notification of a comment, right? And please subscribe, guys. And until next time, you guys stay safe, take care, and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye bye.